Hi, this is Reece from the Curtain and Blind Company, and in this video we're going to teach you how to dress your curtains. Dressing curtains is the last step of your installation process and probably the most important. It's where we're going to train the pleats to sit in their correct position. This is going to give the curtain a perfect aesthetic, and it's also going to give the curtains a bit of longevity as well. How we're going to do this is stack our curtains to their appropriate stacking side. On this case it's the right hand side. And we're going to gently grab each individual pleat and put them together in our hands like so. As I'm doing this, I'm looking from top to bottom to make sure that everything is in uniform and very symmetrical. You can actually see as I go along, I'm going to do gentle shakes at the bottom to try and get them as symmetrical as possible from top to bottom. These curtains have already been really nicely trained. That's why you can see these S-folds are perfect, but it doesn't matter what kind of curtain you have, S-fold or pinch plate, you'd probably want to do this dressing process exactly the same way. Grabbing from the top, shaking down the bottom, and then grabbing them together with my left hand. Once you've gathered up all your pleats, you're going to want to use your Curtain and Blind Company wrap to bear hug these curtains and keep them in place. So simply use the little bit of adhesive on the back, stick the wrap together, and now we have perfectly dressed curtains. Now I know you're going to want to show these curtains off as soon as you get them, but it's very important to dress the curtains for at least 24 hours, maybe even 48, just to make sure you get all of those creases out and all of the pleats are really in unison and holding well. Once you do that, you'll be able to unlock the wrap and show them off to everybody.